compound interest for each of the following. So now we are giving 40,000 for 2 years at 8% per annum. Alright? So we have solved for A part, which is the amount. Where amount says we are going to get the amount is not principal plus interest. Then we need to get our interest by using our formula. Interest got to PRT over 100. So we substituted all our data. Principal is 40,000. Then our rate is 8. Then our time is 2, which is 2 years. So now over 100. So by the time we cut it, we have 416, then which is 6,400. So the amount is principal plus interest, and we added the 40,000 plus the interest. It gives 46,400. So now let's solve for the big part, which is the compound interest. For us to solve for the compound interest, compound for each year and the second year. So we want to know the old interest, and that's why we call it compound interest. So like I explained yesterday, so let's solve this with this data. So we first solve for what? Solve for the interest. Are we together? Yes. So which is PRT over 100. Alright? Our interest will be, so what is that? 40,000 times what is rate times what is time? So we are solving for the first year. Are we together?
All together.
So the first year now, we use 1 because it's 2 years. Are you following me now?
Yes, sir.
So 1 over what? 100. So our I-bar will now be this cancel this cancel this. So we have 400 times 8 times 1 is 8. So our I1 is equal to 8 times this is 0, 8 times this 0, 8 times this 1, 3, 2. Are we together? That is 3,200. So at the end of every year, we are going to be adding our interest. So amount will now be principal plus what? Interest. So our amount will now be what is principal? We started the money, the capital we use is what? 40,000 plus what is the interest now? 3,200. So that will give us good of you 43,200. Is that taken?
Yes.
So this means that this is going to be our new capital. Alright? We are starting with this. We have a new capital, our new principal, or the capital that I want to use to start the business. Are you following me now? Yes. So now, the second year, that is I2 is equal to what? P R T over what?
100.
So I2 is equal to what is our principal now? 43,200. Do you get it now?
Yes.
That's what is rate. Then remain with 8. Times 1. We are dealing with that and other years. Over what? 100. So this cancel this cancel this. Are we following me? Our I2 will now be what? 432 times 8. So 432 times 8, that is 16, then 1, 24, 25, remainder 2. Are we together?
Yes.
8 times 4, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Isn't it?
Yes.
So I2 is equal to 3,456. And are you following me? Yes. So now, then at the end of that business as well, in that second year, we have amount will be principal plus interest. So our amount will be, what is our principal now when we started the business? In the second year. In the second year, 43,200 plus what's our interest at the second year? 56, right? 3,456 naira, isn't it? So we add it together, 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright? So we have 65664.
46,600.
That is 46,666. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You are making noise, so continue. Now, 46,656. That is at the end of that second year. So our compound interest now will be this amount. At the end of the second year, 46,656 minus the initial principal, which is 40,000. Can we subtract that? So when we subtract that, what would that give us? 6,656. So that is our compound interest. That is what we are going to get by the time we subtract all the interest per year. God bless you.